Hello friends, myself Mr. Narendra Jangle from Kokhle Education Societies R.M. Bhatt High School, Parel. Welcome students. Today we are going to study class 10th Maths Part 2 second chapter Pythagoras Theorem. From that chapter we are going to study practice set 2.2. This practice set is based on the Apollonius theorem. So what is that Apollonius theorem? In triangle ABC, if AD is the median, then AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. So let us see practice set 2.2 from second chapter Pythagoras theorem. You know, to solve this practice set 2.2, we are using that Apollonius theorem. We have to use Pythagoras and Apollonius theorem, applications of Pythagoras theorem. In the first example, what is given? In triangle PQR. So first draw triangle PQR. S is the midpoint of side QR. So S is the midpoint of side QR. That means PS is the median. PQ is 11, PR is 17 and PS is 13. Then find QR. Whenever the median is given, then we have to use that Apollonius principle. So how to write the answer? In triangle PQR, so in triangle PQR, PS is the median on side QR. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, so what is that Apollonius theorem? Let us see. This median is given on side QR. So sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Which are the remaining two sides? PQ and PR. Therefore left hand side is PQ square plus PR square is equal to right hand side 2 into median square plus 2 into half QR square. Half QR means QS or SR. So half QR square is QS square, 2QS or SR. So this is Apollonius principle. Remember again how to use that principle. The median is given on side QR. Therefore, take the sum of squares of remaining two sides. In this figure, remaining two sides are PQ and PR. Therefore, PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2 into median square, 2 into PS square plus 2 into half QR square. So 2 into half QR means QS, or we can write SR. Now substitute the values. PQ is given 11, therefore 11 square plus QR is given 17 square is equal to 2 into bracket. PS is 13 square plus 2QS square. Now simplify. 11 square is 121 plus 17 square is 289 is equal to 2 multiplied by 169 plus 2QS square. Now adding this 2, we get 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. So we get 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1. So here add So simplify. Here this product becomes 400 and addition becomes 410 is equal to, this product is 338 plus 2qs square. Therefore this 2qs square is equal to this 410 and minus this 338. So if we subtract, we get 2qs square is equal to 72, and therefore qs square is equal to 72 divided by this 2. We get qs square is equal to 36, and therefore qs is equal to 6. So we get the value of qs. Now we have to find qr, not qs. Therefore qr is equal to 2qs because s is the midpoint. So we get 2 into 6 is equal to 12 units. So in this way we can find qr. So we get qr is equal to 12 units. That is our answer. So let us see again how to use that Apollonius theorem. So here in triangle PQR, this PS is the median. Whenever the median is given, we have to use that Apollonius theorem. So by Apollonius theorem, what we can write? The remaining square of sum of the squares of remaining two sides means PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2 into median square plus 2 into half QR square. Half QR means either QS or SR. Now substitute the values and simplify. We get QS is equal to 6. After simplification, we get QS is equal to 6. But QS is half QR. Therefore, this QR is equal to 2QS. Here we can write, since S is made a point of, we can write the reasons. QR. S is the midpoint, therefore QS is equal to 2QS is equal to QR. So 2 multiplied by 6 we get 12. So in this way we can use that Apollonius theorem. Let us see next sum. Let us see third sum from practice set 2.2. It is nothing but our Apollonius theorem. In a previous video, theory part 2, we prove that Apollonius theorem. It is similar to Apollonius theorem, only some terms are different. Here QR by 2, here QR, these terms are there. Now let us see how to solve. Now first point here, this S is the midpoint, therefore QS is equal to SR is equal to half QR. So that is our first point. So first point that we have to write here, S is midpoint of QR, that is given, and therefore this QS is equal to SR is equal to what we can write, half QR. This is our statement number 1. So write the every small things that reduces to loss your chance of losing the marks. So second step, in triangle PTS, angle PTS is 90 degree, this small triangle. Therefore by Pythagoras what we can write, PS square is equal to PT square plus ST square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Now simplify and find the value of PT. Therefore PT square similar to that Apollonius principle, Apollonius theorem. PT square is equal to what we get, PS square minus this ST square, let it be 2. Now third thing, what we have to find, the first value, PR square. PR is the side of which triangle? PTR. So in triangle PTR, Simply use Pythagoras theorem. Angle PTR is 90 degree. Whenever it is right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? PR square here in triangle PTR, PR square is equal to PT square plus TR square. So use that theorem. PR square is equal to PT square plus TR square. Here reason same, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Now from 1 substitute the value of PT square and this TR. If you observe the figure again, this TR is nothing but ST plus SR bracket square. So here same method, Apollonus principle. So here value of PT square from 2, PS square minus ST square plus this TR is written as ST plus SR bracket square. Now simplify. PS square minus this ST square plus A plus B the whole square. The formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 2AB. Now this ST square and this ST square get cancelled. We get PS square plus SR square plus 2ST into SR. Now what is our 1? This QS is equal to SR is equal to half QR. Now substitute the value of SR is equal to half QR. So here PS square plus QR by 2, half QR means QR by 2 bracket square plus 2 into ST into this is QR by 2, half QR means QR by 2, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. We get our result PS square plus QR into ST plus this QR upon 2 bracket square. So this is the first proof. Now second proof, fourth one same. We have to use this Pythagoras in triangle PTQ. Now this PTQ is again right angle triangle. Now in triangle PTQ, use the Pythagoras. In triangle PTQ, angle PTQ is 90 degree and therefore by Pythagoras what we can write, see the figure again, PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. Now this PT square, substitute the value of 1 PT square from 2. PT square is PS square minus ST square. So PT square is PS square minus ST square plus this QT. QT can be written as QS, sorry, here see the figure, QT can be written as this QS minus ST. So write this one, QS minus ST bracket square. So here we get QS minus ST bracket square. Now simplify. So we get PS square minus ST square plus here formula A minus B the whole square. A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. But from 1 again this QS is equal to half QR, ST get cancelled. So PS square plus QS means QR by 2 means half QR bracket square minus 2 into QS is half QR, that means QR by 2 into ST. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So we get our result PQ square, here PR square, that first one is proved. Second result, PQ square is equal to PS square minus this QR into ST and plus QR by 2 bracket square. So in this way we can prove both the things. Now observe again that theorem. I am moving the screen slowly. So this is similar to that, means this is a portion of this part of this Apollonius principle, Apollonius theorem, not a different sum. This is Apollonius theorem. So see that sum again. Here first point, QS is equal to SR half QR. Now in triangle PTS use Pythagoras, we get PT square. In triangle PTR use Pythagoras, we get PR square, and simplify, we get our result. Then last in triangle PTQ use Pythagoras, we get our result. So in this way we can solve that sum. Let us, so here it is, the fourth sum from practice set 2.2. In triangle ABC, figure is given. M is the midpoint of BC. If AB square plus AC square already given 290, AM is 8, find BC. Same sum, similar to first sum. So in triangle ABC, by which theorem? Apollonius theorem. By Apollonius theorem, what we can write? This AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 into median square. 2AM square plus 2 multiplied by half BC means BM square. We have to find BC. So AB square plus AC square, substitute the value, that is given 290. 290 is equal to 2 into AM is given 8 square plus 2 BM square. Now simplify. 290 is equal to 2 into 64 plus 2 BM square. Therefore 290 is equal to 64 2s are 128 plus 2 BM square. Therefore we get 2 BM square. Next step, 2 BM square is equal to this 290 minus 128. So we get 2 BM square is equal to 162. Now divide by 2. BM square is equal to this 162 divided by 2. So we get BM square is equal to 81. That means BM is equal to 9. And here the unit is given centimeter. So BM is 9 centimeter. Now what we have to find? BC. So BC is equal to 2 BM. BC is equal to 2 BM. Reason, since M is midpoint of BC, reason should be there, midpoint of BC. Therefore BC equals 2 into 9 means BC equals 18 centimeter. So in this way we can find the BC. This sum is easy, similar to that sum 1. So you can solve that sum easily. Let us see the last sum. Here it is the fifth sum from practice set 2.2. In figure, T is in the interior of rectangle PQRS. You know the properties of rectangle. Opposite sides are parallel. Second, opposite sides are congruent. And every angle is of 90 degree, means P90, S90, R90, 90, 90, 90. Now, here the hint is given, draw AB parallel SR. So if we draw AB parallel SR, then what we get? PQ parallel AB parallel SR. So all are parallel, therefore these are the interior angles 90 degree. These are the corresponding angles 90 degree. These are the corresponding angle 9, means here we get 90 degree. Here we get 90 degree. Here 90, here 90, here 90. And therefore this PABQ is one of the rectangle. Is ASBR is again one of the rectangle. So first we have to write that thing. So here quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle, and therefore angle P equals angle Q equals 90 degree. You know the property of rectangle. Next thing. Now this segment PQ parallel segment SR, reason opposite sides of rectangle. You know opposite sides are parallel and congruent. But what is given? But segment AB parallel segment SR. Suppose it is 1 and it is 2. Here it is construction. Hint is given, construction. Therefore what we get? This PQ parallel AB parallel SR. Therefore segment PQ parallel segment AB parallel segment SR. PQ parallel AB parallel SR, and therefore we get this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. Quadrilateral, therefore quadrilateral PABQ is a rectangle. Similarly, you know the property of rectangle, opposite sides are congruent. Quadrilateral ASRB is also rectangle. So two rectangles we get. So opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. You know the property. Therefore what we can write here? PA equals QB and AS equals BR. Therefore PA equals QB or BQ and AS equals BR. Reason opposite sides of rectangle. Now only we have to use Pythagoras theorem 4 times. This is right angle triangle, use Pythagoras. Right angle triangle, Pythagoras. Right angle triangle, Pythagoras. Right angle triangle. So first TS square means in triangle TAS. Now therefore in triangle TAS, in triangle TAS, angle TAS is 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras what we can write? TS square is equal to TA square plus AS square. Now second thing, in triangle this TBQ use Pythagoras. In triangle TBQ, angle TBQ 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras what we get, right? This TQ square is equal to TB square plus qb square. Now adding this to ts square plus tq square is equal to ta square plus this tb square plus this as square plus this qb square. Suppose this is our statement number 3 because 1 2 here. Now use the same Pythagoras theorem in triangle PTA, and so similarly we can write similarly we get PT square is equal to, from the figure, TA square plus PA square, and this TR square is equal to, again use the Pythagoras in fourth triangle, is equal to TB square plus BR square. Now add these two, therefore PT square plus TR square, that is our right hand side of to prove. PT square plus TR square is equal to this TA square plus TB square plus PA square plus BR square. This is 4. Now if we observe 3 and 4, TA square same, TB square same, AS square AP square, but AS is equal to BR, so AS square is equal to BR square, and QB is equal to AP, therefore QB square plus is equal to AP square. Therefore from this we can write this left hand sides are equal. Therefore from 3 and 4, TS square plus TQ square is equal to PT square plus TR square from 3 and 4. Because here we show this PA equals QB and AS equals BR. So here we can substitute this one here or here. We can substitute. So directly this AS square is equal to this BR square, QB square is equal to AP square. Therefore we get these are equal. So in this way we can prove this fifth sum. So let us observe that sum again, read that sum carefully and try to understand. Here PQRS is a rectangle, therefore P and Q 90 degree, but therefore opposite sides PQ and SR, you know the property of rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and congruent, so PQ parallel SR, but our hint or according to our construction AB parallel SR, therefore all three sides PQ parallel AB parallel SR, and therefore this PABQ is rectangle. Similarly this another triangle rectangle ASRB is becomes a rectangle. You know the opposite sides of rectangle are congruent, therefore PA equals QB and AS equals BR. Now in triangle TAS, use Pythagoras, we get TS square is equal to TA square plus AS square. In TBQ, use Pythagoras, TQ square is equal to TB square plus QB square. Add this both TS square plus TQ square because our left hand side in a given is that. So we get TA square plus this TS square plus TB square is equal to AS square plus QB square. That is our third statement. Similarly, use Pythagoras in this triangles PTA, we get directly, here we are directly written. Similarly we get PT square is equal to TS square plus PA square, Pythagoras theorem. TR square, here we can write the reason, Pythagoras theorem. So TR square is equal to this one. Now add both PT square plus TR square. So TS square plus TB square, AP square plus BR square. Now here TS square same term, TB square same term, AS and BR, these are congruent, therefore these are same terms. QB and AP same, these are congruent. So right hand side both equal 3 and 4, therefore left hand side must be equal. So in this way we prove this TS square plus TQ square is equal to PT square plus TR square. So here the second chapter Pythagoras theorem is completed. Students, if you have any doubt in that second chapter, then write in a comment box. I will try to solve that doubts. I try to make the videos. If your doubts are come, then after that one, I will definitely make a video on doubts. If you like my video, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel and share these videos to your friends. Thank you.